First, let's open up our web browser choice. And then we're going to head over to thunderstore.io. And we're going to look for r2modman. We're going to click on that. We're going to scroll down, click on manual download, click save. Now we can close our web browser. We're going to open up File Explorer, head over to our downloads folder, and we're going to right click on r2modman version number .zip. If you're on Windows 11, you might see an option where it says extract. You're going to click on that, but since I'm on Windows 10, I'm going to be using 7-zip. So click on 7-zip and then extract to. Now we can delete the zip file and head over into our folder. And we're going to be looking for r2modman setup and then version number, then exe. Open that up. Next, install, finish. Then I'm going to tab out. We're going to go back to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and now we can delete this folder since it's no longer necessary. Close File Explorer. Now we're going to search for R.E.P.O. Set as default. Select Profile. Online. I'm going to go Sort and then Download Count so we can look at the most popular mods. For this example, I'm going to be installing More Heads Plus and also some other mods. So we're going to click Download, Download with dependencies, scroll down. I'm also going to download more players as well. Download, Download with dependencies. I'm also going to download Late Join. Download, Download with dependencies. Now we can head over to our installs folder, and these are all the mods that we have currently installed. Now let's verify that the mods are actually working. Click on Start Modded on the top left. Now it's going to be launching through Steam. Cool, we're in the game. We're going to go to single player, new game, start new game. Escape, and as you can see, we have this extra option that we shouldn't have if we're playing vanilla. And you'll see that we have a bunch of cosmetics to select. Now we can close the game since we know it's working. Some mods, like More Players, allow you to change values in config files. So we head over to Config Editor, and you should see all your config files. Make sure you've launched the game at least once so some of these appear. So I'm going to click on this More Players config, Edit Config, and by default, it's a max of 10 players. I'm not exactly sure what is the limit of how many players you could have, but for this example, I'm just going to hit 7 and then you can save it. If you want to play modded, make sure to always launch the game through r2modman. So as an example, you could either find r2modman on your desktop or down here. For me, it's recently added, or you would go to the R section and it should be there. Once it loads, you click on Select Profile again, and then here is your install.